Hello. In this video, I will be talking about the panoramic machine and how to position a patient for panoramic radiograph. The panoramic machine available in our department is Orthoralyx 9200 from Gendex. The parts of the machine include DMU, that is Digital Module Unit, X-ray tube head and collimator, headrest, bite block, hand grip, positioning mirror, Frankfurt plane laser setting, and control panel. In the control panel, there are buttons for changing exposure parameters, that is kV, MA, and second. Patient size can be selected as small, medium, and large. The standard panoramic exposure parameter is 70 kV, 4 MA, and 12 second. These buttons are for closing and opening the headrest. These buttons are for moving the X-ray unit backward and forward. These buttons are for moving the X-ray unit up and down according to height of the patient. This is the reset button to bring the machine in start position. This button shows that the equipment is ready for an X-ray emission. Now, for patient preparation, before X-ray exposure, obtain consent from patient and have him to remove his glasses, jewelries, dentures, hair clips, or any other metallic object above his shoulder. Ask the patient to put on the lead apron. For patient positioning, ask the patient to hold the hand grip, stand straight with back erect and feet slightly ahead. Adjust the machine according to height of the patient such that the rotating unit is about 1 inch higher than the patient's shoulder. Ask the patient to bite on the bite block so that the maxillary and mandibular anterior teeth fall on the notch. Now assess and adjust the planes in accordance to laser lights. Firstly, adjust Frankfurt horizontal plane, that is FH plane, which should be parallel with the floor. Secondly, adjust mid-sagittal plane. And thirdly, adjust the focal trough light, which should lie at the center of maxillary canine. Ask the patient to look ahead, close the lips, swallow and place the tongue on palate and stay still during the exposure. Press the exposure button. This is the resultant panoramic image obtained after exposure. Now, the indications of panoramic imaging include overall evaluation of dentition, examination for intraosseous pathology such as cyst, tumor, or infection, gross evaluation of temporomandibular joint, evaluation of position of impacted teeth, evaluation of eruption of permanent dentition, dentomaxillofacial trauma, developmental disturbances of maxillofacial skeleton.